How to get double XP in Duolingo. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can get double XP on Duolingo. So let's begin. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do so, you may just directly launch the Duolingo application on your device. After that, you may just directly wait for the app to be loaded on your screen. So after it is loaded, you can see the interface of the Duolingo on your screen. So at the top left, here at the top, you can find a diamond section here. So you're just gonna go ahead and click on the diamond section, and you're gonna look for different options here. So here you can see this option called widget reward. So this is the easiest method on how you can get the double XP boost on your Duolingo. In order to do so, you may just directly hit on this get started option, and you're going to add the widget of the Duolingo on your screen, which will enable the option for you to get the double XP. So what you're going to do is simply click on add now. After that, directly tap on add it to home screen, and you may directly claim the reward. And you can see you got the double XP. Just gonna continue with the process, and there you go, you have successfully got the double XP in Duolingo. So that's how you basically get Duolingo double XP, by following the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and then thank you for watching this video.